This van is in serious need of a deep clean. It is just so dirty everywhere, messy. All the walls are very filthy. You ready for a deep clean, Cosmo? Fan duty up on the roof and it is absolutely filthy. I don't think we've gone through this top bit and cleaned it since we built the van. So we started this deep clean a few days ago, but I think we're going to need to start again. It's so dirty in here. Cosmo will need a deep clean as well. He's got the dirtiest paws you've ever seen. Deep clean is to clean this boy. He's as orange as this dirt. Good boy, Cosmo. glasses on display. It's gonna look so cool. We were gonna have them all lined up like this because that looks pretty cool. The blue tag doesn't stick to half of them, so yeah, probably won't be doing that. And if they fall, they could smash and that would be very devastating. I've hit that part of the cleaning day where I don't want to do any more, but it's half done and things need to be put back where they belong. So I think I might have a snack and get back to it later. We're also filming our updated van tour today, so that'll be so exciting. If it's already up on the channel, I will put the little card up here, but if not, the link will be in the description when it's up. And I'm so excited to show you our new van. And by new, I mean updated from a year ago. The snack for the morning is a salted caramel cornetto, and I couldn't be happier. Pancakes and an ice cream. It doesn't really get much better.